We want to show that the equation x minus 2 sine x, where x is measured in radians, equals 0, has a root between x is 1 and x is 2. In order to do this, we let f of x be equal to x minus 2 sine x. We then evaluate f of 1. Remember to set the calculator into radian mode. We get 1 minus 2 sine 1, and this evaluates to give minus 0.683, correct to 3 significant figures. We then evaluate f of 2. So we have 2 take away 2 times the sine of 2 radians. This evaluates to give 0.181, correct to 3 significant figures. The important thing is here that we have one negative value and one positive value. The change of sign from negative to positive implies that there is a root between 1 and 2. The reason for this will become more apparent in example 2. We can similarly show that the same equation has a root between minus 2 and minus 1. Here's f of x. We just need to evaluate it at minus 2, giving us minus 2 take away 2 times the sine of minus 2 radians, and this gives us minus 0.181. We also evaluate f of minus 1, which is minus 1 take away 2 times the sine of minus 1, and this gives us 0.683. Once again, we can see that we have a negative and a positive, so the change of sign implies that there is a root between minus 2 and minus 1.